This is my journey to financial freedom, no? So I reached productive and meaningful retirement when I was 31. The highest asset that I had was 340 million pesos in 2016. But that was also the time that I got depressed. At doon talaga, totoo, no? Money will not make you happy. Because solo effort lang yung ginagawa ko parate. So, I chose to pay off our debts and to just go with community effort and get social investors rather than borrowing from the banks. In 2018, this slumped to 180 million pesos. But we're now recovering at 307 million pesos last year. What I did was to change my metrics, no? From measuring money, from measuring total assets that I have, number of people yung aking naging metrics. Ngayon binibilang ko, ilan na ba yung natulungan ko in terms of my financial literacy advocacy? With only just 1% of the total 20 million social media reach that I do every year, that's about 200,000 individuals na na-help na namin. We also directly support 22,000 families with livelihoods and social safety nets in Mindanao. Meron na rin po kaming socialized housing na inumpisahan. We've established 4 units of it. And we target to have 200 by the end of 2025. Yung mass market really is a huge untapped market. Sabi ko, di ba, you have to have your why. So my why is to be happy and to be an instrument of happiness. Okay? Jowa ko po yun. Anyway.